We've been looking at the C level of our machine stack so far. Today we're going to shift down to the instruction set architecture level. So we'll be looking at the kinds of instructions that the hardware implements. Another term I'll use occasionally is microarchitecture. That's not so much what we're looking at. That is the implementation of the ISA, but I'll have a few comments on the microarchitecture. So by instruction set architecture, we mean instructions like this: push queue, move queue, call, right? The set of instructions that are available. This particular notation for instructions is assembly notation. So assembly instructions are in plain text, more or less human readable. Use names that you can kind of recognize and other symbols like RBX here that will become recognizable at least. This isn't what the processor sees. The processor sees instead raw numbers like 53, hexadecimal 53, and hex 4889 D3. Right? These numbers correspond to these assembly instructions, and there's a fairly direct mapping from this bit of text down to this number. So we won't worry too much about the individual numbers here or how that mapping works. Since it's so direct, we will mostly just look at instructions as assembly instructions and pretend that's what the machine thinks of directly.